Latest confirmed transfers and rumors. Summer 2025. Jo Palhinha joins Tottenham Hotspur from Bayern Munich. Victor Osimhen joins Galatasaray from Napoli. Victor Rebić joins Girona from Manchester City. Francho Ivanovic joins Benfica from Union Saint-Gilloise. Santiago Moreno joins Villarreal from Atletico Madrid. Ante Rebić joins Hajduk Split from Lecce. Mamadou Sarr joins Strasbourg from Chelsea. Robin Roefs joins Sunderland from NEC Nijmegen. Richard Agbonifo joins Inter Milan from Hellas Verona. Duje Saleta Sarr joins Real Sociedad from León. Jacobo Ramon joins Como from Real Madrid. David Mahler-Wolf joins Wolverhampton Wanderers from AZ Alkmaar. Mikey Moore joins Rangers FC from Tottenham Hotspur. Conor Coady joins Wrexham from Leicester City. Saud Abdulhamid joins RC Lens from Roma. Oussama El Azouzi joins AJ Auxerre from Bologna. Marius Bülter joins FC Köln from Hoffenheim. Henry Chase joins Red Bull Salzburg from Stuttgart. Santiago Hidalgo joins Toulouse from Independiente. Gabriel Strefezza joins Olympiacos from Como. Leo Castledine joins Huddersfield Town from Chelsea. Jack Moorhouse joins Leyton Orient from Manchester United. Ethan Wheatley joins Northampton Town from Manchester United. Antonio Cordero joins KVC Westerlo from Newcastle United. Arvin Appiah joins Amiens SC from Almeria. John Lundstrom joins Hull City from Trabzonspor. Andre Bakanin joins FC Basel from Tukariki. Miguel Loureiro joins Deportivo La Coruna from Huesca. Emil Hansen joins Blackpool from Birmingham City. Florian Bianchini joins Portsmouth from Swansea City. Paddy Lane joins Reading FC from Portsmouth. Ahmed Hassan joins Al Ettifaq from Le Havre. Ilya Zabarny set to join Paris Saint-Germain from Bournemouth. Neymar rumored to join Marseille from Santos FC. Paulo Dybala rumored to join Benfica from Roma. Ronald Araujo rumored to join Tottenham Hotspur from Barcelona. Xavi Simons rumored to join Chelsea from RB Leipzig. Mark Guéhi rumored to join Liverpool from Crystal Palace. Anthony Gordon rumored to join Arsenal from Newcastle United. Benjamin Sesko rumored to join Manchester United from RB Leipzig. Ollie Watkins rumored to join Newcastle United from Aston Villa. Nick Woltemade rumored to join Bayern Munich from Stuttgart. Giacomo Raspadori rumored to join Atletico Madrid from Napoli. Randall Kolo Muani rumored to join Tottenham Hotspur from Paris Saint-Germain. Christopher Nkunku rumored to join Inter Milan from Chelsea. Rasmus Højlund rumored to join RB Leipzig from Manchester United. Lucas Paquetá rumored to join Manchester City from West Ham United. Douglas Luiz rumored to join Nottingham Forest from Juventus. Kim Min-jae rumored to join Al Nassr from Bayern Munich. Jon Wissa rumored to join Newcastle United from Brentford. Jorgen Strand Larsen rumored to join Newcastle United from Wolverhampton Wanderers. Facundo Buonanotte rumored to join Borussia Dortmund from Brighton and Hove Albion. Claudio Echeverri rumored to join Girona from Manchester City. Tyler Dibling rumored to join Everton from Southampton. Mads Hermansen rumored to join West Ham United from Leicester City. Matt O'Reilly rumored to join Juventus from Brighton and Hove Albion. Julio Enciso rumored to join Roma from Brighton and Hove Albion. Juanlu Sanchez rumored to join Wolverhampton Wanderers from Sevilla.